When my hands were shaking, when my plans all fell apart, I had nothing but your name on my lips, in my heart. Every door was closing, every face just turned away, but you opened up a path where I thought there was no way. Ya Allah would carry me when I could barely stand. You wrote hope inside my chest when I let go of my plans. Every breath I borrow gift, every step your gentle care. I am small, I am weak, but I'm strong because you're there. In the quiet of the dawn, when the world still holds its breath, I remember all the nights you pulled me back from the edge. All the sins that stay in me, all the days I